In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Basecamp. First off, let's get started by navigating to Basecamp. You'll want to sign in, so go ahead and click on that sign in button. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure you type these in correctly, then hit login to access your account. It's your gateway to managing projects and files efficiently, so logging in is a crucial step. Once you're logged in, the next thing to do is to go to your project. This could be a project you've just started or one that's been ongoing. Either way, finding your project is straightforward. The main dashboard will list all your projects. Simply click on the one you need to upload files to. Now, within your project's interface, look for the Docs and Files section. This area is specifically designed for document and file management within Basecamp, making it easy to keep project-related files organized and accessible to your team. After clicking on Docs and Files, you'll see an option to add new items. Specifically, you're looking for the New Shoot button. Clicking on this will open a sub-menu with several options, but for today we're focusing on Upload Files. Once you click on Upload Files, you'll be prompted to select the files you wish to add to your project. This is where you'll need to browse your computer and find the file or files you're intending to upload. Take a moment to locate the file, select it, and then you're ready for the next step. After selecting your file, the final step is to officially post it to the project. Look for the Post to the Project button. Clicking this will finalize the upload process and your file will be securely stored within your project's Docs and Files section. It's now accessible to you and your team, neatly organized along with your other project materials. Uploading files to Basecamp is a straightforward process that can significantly streamline your project management efforts. Keeping your files organized and accessible ensures that your team can focus on what's important without getting bogged down by file management hassles. Remember, communication and organization are key to a successful project, and Basecamp offers the tools to help you achieve both. Happy uploading!